Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here, and network marketer, affiliate marketer, Forex trader with iMarketsLive. It has been way too long, and of course, I know every video I just make an excuse, so I'm not going to make an excuse. But I wanted to do a video today just because I wanted to update some people on their thought processes on trying to change their lives and invest in any company, whether it's iMarketsLive or not. Okay. So before I get to that, a couple things. If you're interested in iMarketsLive, there is a link below. We can get you inside of our particular team group, which is for potential customers. You can see all the administration, including myself, and you can see about a little bit about what we do. We are the #1 team in iMarketsLive, and the reason we are is because we help the most people make money, gain pips, and build their account. Obviously, I have to put this disclosure in. Past profits don't guarantee future results. There is risk in trading, etc., etc., etc. If you want to subscribe to more of my videos, please subscribe down here. If you want to get a thumbs up, a like, a comment, please do so. So let me get back to what the subject of this video is. This is about a mindset and what stops you from changing your life, okay? So let me minimize something here. And by the way, this is my Forex page, Simple Forex Today. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can also get a hold of me through Facebook. And that's my page at Facebook. And we can get you inside the group. So you have to be friends with me for me to get you inside of our team group. That is just for prospective customers. If you become a customer, then we add you to our specific team group. And I'll go over a couple things about what we do differently than anybody else in iMarketsLive. iMarketsLive is I've been with them for over 2 years. I've been making money now online for 20 years, and by far they're the best company I've ever been in. Hands down, simple, done. Okay, but the iMarketsLive program has so much good stuff, but we actually add more to it, to the value. So I'll get back to that in a second. So what I want to do here is I have had this experience the last couple of weeks where, let me minimize this, let me get it, where people get to the sign up page and then they just, oh, there's money due. Here, let me do this. Yes, you need to make an initial payment on your to become a member of our team, and nothing is free. Okay, I mean, when I first started like 20 years ago, I was with a company called SFI, which, by the way, is still in business, and it's a great training ground to learn about how to make money online. Okay, and then I started for free. I literally started with nothing. Today, it's much harder to do that. Much harder to do that. It's not impossible, but it's much harder to do that. And that tells you my age, okay? So I've talked to many people over the past couple of weeks, and then they love the program. They get inside our team group where we go over the iMarketsLive package. They are ready to get started. They can absolutely make money with Forex if you have no experience. And then they get to this page. Okay, so this is the page that you sign up on. Okay, and of course, you have to be sponsored into iMarketsLive. And that sees Jeff Casmer and asks for basic information. And you get to this. Okay? All right. Now, many different packages here. Okay? Basically, the people choose one of these two packages. Okay? Now, here's why we are so heavily involved and so successful helping people make money trading Forex. Okay? The easiest thing to do is to recommend people, oh, get the top package, get it all, you're ready to go, etc. Okay? Now, with the Elite Starter Pack here, your initial payment is $325. Yes, it costs money to join, okay? Nothing is free. That's a revolving theme of my video today. Now, with that initial payment, this is all the stuff that you get, okay? IMTV, harmonic scanner, swing trades, Pip Talk, which is a communication device, swipetrades, which is an app on the phone. If you can see my previous videos, then you know how good that is. Web Analyzer, which is a great tool that will actually give you trade ideas, that monitors the charts 24/7 and gives you trade ideas. Bounce back is a strategy. Gold Cup's a strategy. Swipecoin is crypto trading. High frequency Forex, pivots, levels, stuff like that, okay? Now, I recommend, and our team recommends, that you do not get this package. Okay, you don't get the most expensive package. So people ask me, well, wait, right? Because you need a sponsor, right? So the sponsor gets a commission, right? And we do. If you're on our team, whoever sponsors you in gets a small commission, okay? There is a network marketing component. That's kind of a misnomer in the industry. 95% of our customers are just customers trading Forex. There's only about 5% that actually build the business and want to help people, such as myself, okay? So people automatically think, why are they not pushing me to the more expensive package? Because maybe the commission's higher, they can move up certain levels in the business, etc. Correct. You know why? Because we care about your success. Period. It's easy to get the more expensive one, get the more expensive, get the more expensive one. Here's why. When you're starting out and you don't know anything about Forex, there's no way you can learn all this or use all these strategies. And all of these are absolutely fantastic. Okay? But you're not going to do that if you're a fairly new trader. Okay? So we recommend this package. The Forex and Crypto, IMLTV, Harmonic Scanner, Swing Trades and Night Owl Sessions, Pip Talk. Pip Talk is basically a messenger system inside IMarketsLive. Okay? So we recommend you get this package, and then you add on the web analyzer for an additional, I believe, $21 and change. Okay? The reason being, in our specific team, the strategies that we are teaching in addition to the membership, okay, requires the web analyzer. Okay? We also do, and I'll get to more about this in a moment, live trading. Okay? But we do it with the web analyzer. Okay? So we recommend you get this package, and you add on the web analyzer, and learn a couple strategies that will make you money. Right? Because we want you to stay with the company. We want you to be successful. We want you to make pips. We want you to make money. Therefore, you return as a customer in month 2. Too many people, oh, get the big one, get the big one, get the big one. Now, I'm not saying it's not for anybody. Some people can handle it when they're learning all this stuff. And there might be a case down the road that you might have everything, right? But at the beginning, because we're so intent on making sure you're successful, right, we want you to get this package, add on the web analyzer. Now, another thing that you need to understand, this is the initial payment, okay? Your monthly payment is less than that. So if you choose this package, your monthly is about like $180 something and change, okay? So $35, $40 less than your initial. Your initial payment's a one-time thing. Get you started, get you set up, all that good stuff, okay? That's what we recommend. I have had 3 or 4 people in the last 3 or 4 days get here, and they're getting ready to sign up, and then silence, right? Absolute silence. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, if you want to change your life, you have to invest in yourself, right? College education, what does that cost? Okay? Any business, high-ticket item business, brick and mortar business, whatever. You have to invest in yourself, the education and the training, right? The beauty about iMarketsLive is we will educate you and you will earn while you learn. That's the important one, right? Because people don't want to pay monthly membership, then month 2, then month 3, and they're still trying to learn it all, right? So that's why we recommend the smaller package. We're probably the one group that does, the only group that does, okay? So for those that are watching this video that are like, yes, invest in yourself, okay? You just need this initial payment and open up a broker account. You can open a broker account for $20, $50, $100, whatever your budget allows, and build your account, okay? Now, here's what's different about our specific team and why we are going gangbusters, okay? Part of our administration is we do weekly webinars, okay, with our team. So we give you a link, you can join our webinar, okay? One of our guys, Danny, provides a watch list, 4 or 5 pairs of trades that he's watching, okay? He gives you that list. This is while you're learning, right? And when we get in the trades, we let you know to get into the trades. And then we update you during the week. And then at the end of the week, we have another webinar to review that. So you earn while you learn, right? Okay? That's one benefit. 2 benefit is we have 6-figure traders that are part of our team, our administration, that are in the group every single day, that are on the webinars, that are absolutely available all the time to answer questions, mentor, and help you. Okay? What we have started about 6 weeks ago is we do live trading now. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we do live trading. Okay? Our record now is like 41-2. Some days we don't take a trade. Some days we take 1 trade. Some days we take 2 trades. But our record's 41-2. Okay? Those are the reasons why you want to be part of our specific team. And that's not even all of it, right? The person who runs kind of the whole thing, who started it all, he's doing live videos all the time inside of our group, okay? When you become a customer, the first thing we make you do is watch one of our administration go over the IML membership, top to bottom, and directs you exactly where to go. Because we focus on a couple different strategies, right? Now, I'm involved in that. I'm involved in a couple things. I love the swipecoin. I love the swipecoin, the crypto trading, okay? But you should first learn a couple strategies first, okay? That's the key to why our group is number 1, period. We learn and earn at the same time, okay? That's it, folks. That's the video today, okay? Get over it, get past it, and say, I'm going to change my life, and I'm going to push that submit button, right? Get started. Trust me, 7-day money-back guarantee. You can sign up. You can get in our group. This isn't for me, blah, blah, blah. You can get your money back 7 days. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Don't come up with an excuse. Come up with a reason to start and not a reason to quit, right? And that's always tougher. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for joining me. If you want to get on board our team, there's links below, subscribe buttons, Facebook likes, give me comments. Let me get back to here. You can reach me on Facebook here, and that is my personal page. Of course, I do have some business on it, and then my business page. Okay, Jeff Kasmer or Simple Forex Today. Love to hear from you. That's pretty much it. See ya. Take care.